Two federal judges are siding with states and cities suing the Trump administration in the tug of war over food assistance that's become part of the shutdown stalemate.
If you are in a position where you can't feed your family and you're relying on that $187 a month for an average family in the SNAP program, that we have failed you.
The USDA says come Saturday, the funding for SNAP benefits is tapped out. More than 24 states argue a contingency fund was designed to keep the program running, while the administration claims the funds are not legally available to cover the benefits.
Even if it could flow, it doesn't even cover half of the month of November. So here we are again in 2 weeks having the exact same conversation.
The administration did find a way to pay the military today, moving billions of dollars from other programs to meet the payroll. Republicans continue to urge Democrats to support a short-term spending bill that would reopen the government. But with the standoff now on day 31, President Trump is urging Republicans to invoke a so-called nuclear option.
All they have to do is say, let's go, let's open up our country, and everything snaps back into shape.
The president is pushing for an end to the Senate filibuster that would allow the Senate to pass legislation with a simple majority. But Senate Majority Leader John Thune has repeatedly rejected the idea.
And one of my priorities as leader will be to ensure that the Senate stays the Senate. That means preserving the legislative filibuster. The Senate rule that today is perhaps the greatest impact on preserving the founders' vision of the United States Senate.
Trump also slammed the Affordable Care Act's rising rates, blaming Democrats. The issue remains at the center of the government funding fight, with Democrats insisting any deal include an extension to those health care subsidies to lower health insurance premiums. Erica Brown, CBS News, Capitol Hill.